Okay guys, so now as you can see I have Xiaomi Bud 5 Pro. So now you have the button back side. So now if you go to the Bluetooth, I have already connected the Bluetooth device. I'm going to unpair this particular device. I'm saying unpair. Fine. So now you have two choices to connect this particular device with your POCO Pad. One is go to the settings and go to the Bluetooth. As you can see, now open your case, press the button for 2 seconds. Now the light is blinking. So now as you can see, it's showing you Red Buds 5 Pro. I'm saying yes, connect this one. It's saying allow access. I'm saying okay, pair. So now it's pairing you. So Redmi Bud 5 Pro, as you can see, it's showing you left 100%, right 100%, case 90%, and you have some kind of settings available here. So this is the first scenario. The second scenario, you can connect your device with your Xiaomi official application. So this is the Xiaomi official applications. As you can see, currently it's not connected. So now if I'm going to remove this particular earbuds, I'm saying remove this one. So now if I'm saying connect, so you have different kind of devices available here. Since we have a Redmi Buds 5 Pro, so that's why I'm selecting Redmi Buds 5 Pro. It's saying connecting. So now if you face some kind of problems, just press the button for 2 seconds. When your light blinks, as you can see, it's now connecting the device, pair, and we have connected. So you can perform some kind of settings from here.